Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is game 2 out of 3. Red team is filling up. So is the blue team. Wow, this is going to be a battle, folks. Wow, already. Okay, here we go. We're in the transition mode to manual. Both teams are already over 100. With 2 minutes to go, this could be a very high-scoring affair. Wow. Wow. Okay. Red team is full up. They're ready to fill back in. It's ought to be exciting to watch. Blue is just completely emptying their coffers into the bin. We're less than a minute 45. Both teams are above 200. This is the definition of a high-scoring affair. Here we go. Red seems to have a little more control, collecting energy extensively. Red team throwing balls into their end for collection. Ooh. Blue team is catching up. Oh, look at that. Wow. Both teams. We're almost 30 seconds left. "30 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. It's a close game. Both red and blue are emptying their robots. Oh. Looking competitive. And, oh, blues maybe coming. Oh, what do we have? Two great. Rivers. Red Alliance. 530 to 476. That makes Alliance 1 your champions.